Greetings and welcome back. Well, I've talked about this briefly before, but the new buzzword in the Linux world appears to be something called, well, the phrase Immutable OS. Now, this is nothing new. Chromebooks have been doing this, since 2011, and they've proven to be maintenance-free and bug-free, at least in my test of 2 Chromebooks from different manufacturers. I did a quick search of BlendOS, and we'll take a look at the website here in a moment, but there are some articles here and some videos. This one here says the game-changing Linux distro that ends distro hopping. I no longer distro hop, and for me that was because of 3 operating systems. That would be something from Linux Mint, Zorin, and my Chromebooks. Of course, the Chromebooks have a modified version of the Linux kernel, and they are rock solid. And if we scroll down some more, ZDNet, BlendOS is the Swiss Army knife of Linux distros, but it's not for everyone. So is an immutable Linux operating system the future to replace all Linux distributions? I only have Chromebooks to go by, and they are maintenance-free and bug-free, at least in my tests and usage. What am I going to say to that as a Windows user? Oh, gee whiz. No, I prefer to have my bugs and system crashes. Come on, I don't want that. I mean, seriously, of course. We all want less headaches, don't we? Let's take a look at BlendOS's website. All right, so I guess the latest version would be last year. The BlendOS allows you to have an immutable, atomic, and declarative Arch Linux system with application support from several Linux distributions and Android. Again, Chromebooks kind of do this also. I don't know. I mean, I'm reading Arch Linux. Right away, this tells me it's not the best for beginners, or if you don't like bugs, don't use anything with the words Arch Linux. But this might be different. Now, to be fair, I have not tested this. If I do test this, or if you test this, I suggest you do this as a full install in a separate machine. No VMs, just do a full install test. So BlendOS keeps everything simple, delivering on application and game compatibility from various sources while offering a lightweight, atomic, and declarative Arch system. Just double-click on APK, deb, or RPM packages to install. So let's backtrack just real brief. Immutable basically is that there is no way, at least not easily, for the core system, the guts, the brains of your computer, whatever you want to call it, there's no easy way to have it modified either by the user or from malware. And I guess that's why on Chromebooks I've yet to have anybody tell me that they've been hit with a ransomware on the Chromebook. It's virtually impossible. That's why I do believe in immutable systems. Now, whether they are the future of Linux in general, that remains to be seen. There is one drawback to an immutable system. You can't easily customize an immutable system. Now, I will gladly trade that to have something that is maintenance-free and bug-free as much as possible. So there are frequently asked questions. Which distribution is BlendOS based on? Blend uses Arch Linux. Again, I'm laughing because, yeah, if we've tried Arch Linux in the past, even if you're not a new user, you can see that things don't always work out well. I think the last Arch Linux based I tried was Manjaro, and it did not go well. So is this something you should try? Well, this is my advice to you as a Windows/Linux user, okay? If you have a Chromebook and you love your immutable experience, hell yeah, you should try this on a separate machine, not in a virtual box, as a full install, run the updates, and then see how this works out for you. Who knows, this may replace what you have. I don't think it will, at least not yet. You know, this is a work in progress, it would seem to me, but I am curious about this. Let me know if you've already tried this as a full install or thinking about trying this, and what do you think about the whole immutable experience? Are you willing to trade customization for zero maintenance and for no bugs as much as possible? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. In the meantime, take a look at BlendOS, and of course, take a look at Chromebooks. Catch you on the next one. Arrivederci.